Please subscribe Bootstrap Station if you haven't, and we will be changing the keyboard layout on Linux. So in this video we are going to use Ubuntu, and to be specific, we will be changing the keyboard mapping layout by assigning the shortcut keys. Alright, so let us begin. First of all, go to the settings of your operating system. Now in here, search for region and language, and here you see the input sources. Click on the plus button here and just choose any of the language you want. Alright, so I'll be using English United States, and here you will be having a lot of layouts also, like Dvorak, QWERTY, and this one English Dvorak. So I will be using this layout. We have a lot of them here. Okay, you can choose any one of these. As I told, I will be using this one, English Dvorak, and click on add. Now after entering these two layouts in your input sources, click on options, and here choose this first one, use the same sources for all windows. Okay, you may try the second option, okay, but first one is recommended. Now to set a keyboard shortcut for this, changing between these two layouts, go to the devices, and in the keyboard shortcuts you can also search keyboard shortcuts here also in the settings. Go to the last, and here you can see the typing option. Switch to next input source, click on it and press Ctrl Shift and space here and click on set. Okay, so to get to the previous input source, you can see Ctrl space and next Ctrl Shift and space. Okay, now close it and let me show you by typing the home row here. We will be using the QWERTY layout first, then the Dvorak. Okay, so the home row of the QWERTY layout is ASDFGHJKL, and now let us switch to the Dvorak layout. Ctrl Shift and space. You can see here two options. You can either use your mouse to select them, or you can just press Ctrl Shift and space. Now we are in the QWERTY layout. Ctrl Shift space. Now we are in the Dvorak layout, so it will be typing these letters in the home row. Okay, so we have just switched to our Dvorak layout. Now to get back to the QWERTY layout, just press Ctrl Shift and space. And from today onwards, I will be using Dvorak as my default layout, because we are having 70% of the common English words on the home row itself, and in QWERTY layout it's less than 40%. Please subscribe Bootstrap Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.